involved with this club since 1966. Earlier, I played underage. In 1963 or 62, I finished with my leaving cert, and I came home and I met my former teacher, who was secretary of the club, and asked him, "Are we a minor team?" And he said, "It's up to you, Joe." So I always said it was the best lesson I ever got. If you need something done, go do it yourself. And since then, I'm involved. I had every role possible in the club. 1963, I became secretary, just 18 at the time. Then I was involved in the South Board. Actually, my great achievement, I think, is not involved with St. Aidan's at all. I went on a solo run once and decided to organise a South Roscommon schools football tournament. These are letters I got back from school teachers and pupils after I started the school football back in 1973 or 4. These lads had, they had no football and no towels, but they did play afterwards. They did play. They got the football and towels. 74-5, the county board decided to get involved, and I stepped aside, and that was I think my great achievement.
That's for volunteerism in Roscommon. I was a volunteer at the Century.
Just volunteerism.
I support the war for volunteerism.
That was 2021, yeah, back in the middle of COVID, yeah.
The GA is the heart of the community. It's the heart of everything. Practically everybody is involved in some way. I see a lot of people getting involved. Might never go to a match at all, but they do fundraising and take part in the fundraising, and it's all for the good of the club. In every club in the country, there are people who do what I'm doing, and I wonder why I was picked. But I accept the honour. It's not an incentive to do anything really. What you do it for your own enjoyment and for the good of the club, and that's it. You got to quit that. I always wanted to give what I could to my home parish. That was my main motivation. But I couldn't do all of this without the backup of my family, and I have to give great credit to my wife, Breed. Very patient lady.